Hey, it's Jay Green with Repair to Sell and GW Private Capital. I'm just checking in on a little repair to sell project I did out here in Baldwin Park. Let's just go inside and see how things are coming along. Looks like they painted the outside, looks pretty good. Let me turn this around here. Let's just go check out the inside of this repair to sell program. Hey, how you doing?
All right.
Good to see you. Is Art around?
No, he went out to Long Beach.
Oh, did he?
Yeah.
Oh, did he? Okay, cool. Awesome.
Yes.
Cool. Just gonna check around if I can. Thanks. Yeah. Awesome. So, making some great progress in here. Haven't put the cabinets in yet, but we've done a lot of like texturing the walls, put in a couple windows, doing some interior painting. This door looks great. So this is the kitchen. This place was a disaster before our contractors got in here. And so anyways, we're gonna clean up this fireplace here. Back here I need some glove. But it's looking pretty good. The paint, the stucco work, and then the flooring should go in here in a couple weeks, where we put in a new wall heater here. That's what the owner wanted and his realtor buddy. The door was existing, so we just kind of painted it because it wasn't in that bad a shape. Doing some hookups in here for the washer and dryer, and then remodeling the bathrooms come along pretty good. New toilet, some tile. So we've done a lot of patchwork and painting. Yeah, this place was pretty beat up before. The homeowner lives in Northern California, and he was the first mortgage had filed an NOD on him, so I brought him current, and I'm making payments on his first mortgage to keep it current so he doesn't go back into foreclosure. I'm putting up all the money to rehab this place, and I prepaid all the payments on my loan, so he doesn't need to make any payments. So I've really gotten him out of a very, very tough situation. And this property should be ready in a couple weeks after the cabinets go into the flooring to put this property on the market for sale. So this project came to me from a realtor friend of mine, and then I brought in one of my contractors who does a lot of work for me, and they're doing all the work. So let me continue with the tour, and I'll show you what we've kind of accomplished here. So strapping the looks like they'll put a new water heater in here. It hasn't gone in yet. A lot of painting. There'll be a new window right there. New doors. A lot of electrical upgrades. Then we'll have new flooring down here. It's looking good. Really happy with the progress. So if you're a realtor or a homeowner and you need to make some repairs to a property so you can get it to sell for top selling price, there's no way this property would have sold at the price it's going to sell for in the $500,000 range had we not done these repairs, nor having it being in foreclosure. There's no way they would have been able to sell it. They would have gotten a bunch of lowball offers. So I'm helping this homeowner and the realtor, mostly the homeowner, put tens of thousands more in his pocket by doing the repairs, so they'll sell it for top selling price. So if you need my help, Jay Green, Repair to Sell in Whittier and GW Private Capital, give me a call or text me, 714-747-1912. Free estimate. Let's meet. I'll put everything in writing and show you the benefit of my program. Anyways, thanks for thinking of me. Have a great day.